Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very short hairstyle tutorial for you guys. It's a head wrap that I usually do when I have a low day where I don't want to really comb my hair or do anything much. I would usually just use a simple head wrap. I love this one, it really fits my face well, and I just put on a little lipstick and that's it. you know it's a really beautiful day today evening, and I just decided, this is how simple that it is, and it looks so unique in its own way. So I hope that you guys will enjoy the head tutorial, or the head wrap tutorial. Yes, so stay. So guys, here I folded the wrap in half, and I place it around the back of my head and to the front of my forehead, and then now I am twisting it around until I reach to the bottom, and then I'm going to twist it around my forehead, and that's it guys. Very natural hairstyle for persons with natural hair, even relaxed when you don't want to have to be dealing with your natural or relaxed hair. You just want a natural look, and I paired it with some earrings guys. So this is the look, this is the head wrap. Look how so this is a finished look. I love this look.